Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis & Company. So the topic is agreement to sell or sale, two sides of the same coin. Now, with reference to the section 4 clause 1 of the Sale of the Goods Act, a contract of sale of goods takes place when two parties enter into an agreement wherein one party transfer or agree to transfer or a property to the other party in return of a price that may be paid or promised to be paid or for some other valuable consideration. A contract of sale can also be executed between a part owner or and another. It may be absolute or conditional. If a property is transferred from one party to another, it may be called a sale, but when the transfer of a said property is decided to take place on a further date, it must be termed as an agreement to sell. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 does not define the word sale, but a legal term sale signifies a transaction which has resulted in passing of some property. In condition to an agreement to sell are fulfilled in the prescribed time duration and the transfer of property is complete, it becomes a sale. In another words, sale is completed when one purchaser becomes the real owner of the property. Now the nature of contract of sale. So a sale can be regarded as a transfer of goods in returning of a price agreed upon. It is a contract between two parties, one who gets into the possession of the goods and the other agrees on the party with a valuable consideration that may be referred to as price is an essential of contract of sale. Without that, an agreement or a contract can be never never of sale. Essential for the contract of sale. Two basic requisites for a contract of sale are an agreement to sell by which all terms regarding the contract decided upon, and the second one is an actual sale by which the goods move from the seller to the buyer. Now the some different between sale and agreement to sell. Some important aspects of different between an agreement to sell and a sale are discussed below. The owner of goods gets transferred immediately in a sale, and whereas an agreement to a sale is made for a transfer whose those goods on a future date subjected to a transfer satisfaction of certain condition mentioned in the agreement. So now the if a buyer uh, returns or turns insolvent, the seller cannot be denied delivery of goods to the buyer and can demand returning of those goods if they are with the official receiver of the buyer, if it is sale, as the owner rights have already been transferred to the buyer. However, the seller can demand some retainable amount of divided in accordance with the price of said goods. In an agreement to sell, if a buyer turns insolvent, the seller is not bound to deliver the goods to him as the ownership right are still with him. So now the another one is if there is a breach of contract of sale or the good are not being delivered, the seller to be sued for the specific performance of the contract. He can also sue for price, but in an agreement to the sale, the buyer gets the right to sue for damages but not the price recovery if there is a breach of the contract. In a contract to sell, if it is implied that the seller has a right to sell those goods if the circumstances do not portray any intention otherwise. But in case of any agreement to sell, implied terms is that the seller will have the right to sell those goods at the future time when the sale is decided to be executed. Now, now the conclusion of this topic. As defined in section 4 clause 1 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930, a contract of sale of goods is a contract whereby the seller transfer or agrees to transfer the property in goods to buyer for a price. If we break down the definition, it talks about two things: transfer of good, and the second one is an agreement to transfer of the goods. The former is termed as a sale and the latter is an agreement to sell. In other words, sale and agreement to sell are substance of the contract of sale. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening to me. Like, comment and share.